Hello students, let's try to understand a problem student. This is asked in 2011, 10, 10 and 10. So many times this question asks student, what is the question? Non-ideal solution exhibit either positive or negative deviation from Raoult's law. What are these deviation and why they caused? Explain with one example of each. Right. So dear students, let's try to understand here. Positive deviation means AV interaction are weaker than AA and BB. Means solute solvent interaction is what student? It is the weak than what? It will be the solute and solvent interaction. So this is what the positive deviation. Interaction is weaker means what student? Interaction is weaker. It means interaction is weaker. It means that is more vapor pressure will be there student. Right. Now in case interaction opposite means whatever the this one AB interaction they are talking AABB, opposite is true cause of the negative deviation. So if AB interaction is stronger than AA and BB interaction, then it will be negative. Now let us try to go in detail. For non-ideal solution, vapor pressure is either higher or lower than the predicted by the Raoult's law. Right? So whatever the Raoult's law predicted by this formula student, P total is equal to P1 naught x1 plus P2 naught x2. By this formula, what the Raoult's was expecting, this is not going to be the same. Okay. If it is higher, the solution exhibit positive deviation, and if it is lower, it is exhibited negative deviation from the Raoult's law, right? So vapor pressure of solution is coming less than the what expected by Raoult's law. It is negative deviation, and more then it will be positive deviation. Now the point here they are talking about in case of positive deviation, when it will be positive deviation. AB means solute solvent interaction are weaker than AA, that is suppose it is the solvent or the solute or BB interaction. Due to this vapor pressure increases which result in positive deviation. Okay, so AB is weak means vapor pressure what will be there student? Vapor pressure will be increased. For example, ethanol and acetone. So why ethanol and acetone is the example of what student? That is the positive deviation because acetone break the hydrogen bonding. CS2 and acetone, that is also positive deviation student. So if the solute solvent interaction is weak student, so it is going to show the positive deviation. Now in case of negative deviation, AB interactions are stronger than AA and BB interaction. Due to this, vapor pressure decreases which result in negative deviation. Example, phenol and aniline. Phenol and aniline is the example of the what student? Negative deviation. What? Phenol and aniline. Means in phenol and aniline there occur the hydrogen bonding student. Strong hydrogen bonding. So it will show vapor pressure will decrease. So negative deviation. Chloroform and acetone. It also form the hydrogen bonding student, so negative deviation. In case of positive deviation, you can see the vapor pressure line it is increases student from the normal line. Okay, for each cases it is increasing, so that is it is the positive non-ideal showing positive deviation, and if it is downside, so it is the going to be what student? That is the negative. So this is all about the question student. Non-ideal solution exhibit either positive or negative deviation from Raoult's law. That we got to know what are these deviation and why they caused. Explain with one example. So this is all about the answer. Thank you students.